Hello, are you getting ready for the PMP exam? If you are, you've probably heard from people. PMP mindset, winning mindset, the mindset of a PMP champion or a project manager who is ready to ace the exam. So, what exactly are they talking about? Well, they're talking about the PMP exam mindset for winning encapsulated in the PMBOK Guide 7th edition principles. Now, this document is freely available. Just go on down to tinyurl.com/PMBOK principles. Let's jump into it. I'm going to show you what exactly this mindset is about. Right here on the screen, you can see the very first principle is about stewardship. Stewards act responsibly. If you are a steward, you're going to act responsibly to be trustworthy, to comply with rules, regulations, and laws, and to treat the resources entrusted to you with care. In fact, the word fiduciary is used so that you are aware that you are a custodian of resources, humans, equipment, materials, supplies, facilities. It says here, as you can see on the screen, a holistic view of stewardship considers financial, social, technical, and sustainable environment awareness. Let's move to the second one. The second one is team. So the winning mindset for the PMP exam needs to be team oriented. You got to give the team the environment and support they need. You got to trust them to get the job done. You got to build the team. You got to keep the team together. It says here, project teams are made up of individuals who wield diverse skills, knowledge, and experience. Project teams that work collaboratively can accomplish a shared objective more effectively and efficiently than individuals working on their own. So we throw out our own agenda, whether we are Scrum Master, whether we are Project Manager, and our mindset needs to be one of the team first. It says, projects are delivered by project teams. Project teams work within organizational and professional cultures and guidelines, often establishing their own local culture. So in this aspect, you need to be thinking about team charter, or team contract, or team agreement, social contract, or ground rules, group norms. Those should be words that you're familiar with. And the concept of collaboration in the team needs to be in the forefront. It says a collaborative project team environment facilitates alignment with other organizational cultures and guidelines, individual and team learning and development, and optimal contributions to deliver desired outcomes. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 here, you can see, is stakeholders. In the same token, we want to collaborate with our stakeholders. It says, engage stakeholders proactively and to the degree needed to contribute to project success and customer satisfaction. So what are we saying here? We're trying to get the student to understand that stakeholders have a huge determination in your success. First of all, the project is for them. Secondly, they could contribute to risks. They're the people who tell you about scope and requirements. And lastly, the success of the project is in the eye of the stakeholder. So if your stakeholder says your project is a failure, believe it. It's their opinion that counts. But if your stakeholder says, hey, your project is a success, then it really is a success. It says stakeholder engagement proactively advances value delivery. Let's go to the next one. The next one here is all about value. What does it say in the Agile Manifesto? It tells you to deliver the value frequently. So you're delivering working product, but that's value, because from the working product, you're going to get benefits, you're going to get value. So here it says, continually evaluate and adjust project alignment to business objectives and intended benefits and value. So the new normal for project managers is understanding the value that the stakeholder is going to get from the project, be it a service, a result, a product. Value is the key word. When you deliver value, you have a better chance of getting to the desired outcome. If you're not delivering value, you're not getting to that outcome. Value is known in the world of PMI, PMBOK 6, as the net quantifiable benefits that a user derives from a product, service, or result. So we need to be obsessed with value. If it's not valuable, don't do it. It says value is the ultimate indicator of project success. It sounds familiar, right? Do you remember what the Agile Manifesto says? It says working product is a primary measure of progress. So here's the kicker. Whether you are in the world of Agile or in the world of predictive, if you're not delivering a working product that gives benefits and value, then your project is not a success. Value, which is the net benefit, and that value is going to arrive at destination outcome, which is where the customer wants to go.